Hey y'all, and welcome back to Table Tutorials. So today I decided to film this Valentine's Day look for you guys. It's kind of like dramatic, but I will be doing a less dramatic drugstore version. I think it'll be up maybe next week, so look out for that if you're not into like all of this. But if you are, continue to keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the end of this video. Bye. So I already set my concealer with my True Match concealer and then my Clinique powder, so we can go right into the eyeshadow. And apologies if my wig looks cray cray. I'll fix it in the end of the video. I'm not really worried about it right now because I am going somewhere after this. You already know my favorite transition shade from Makeup Geek and Tan Lines, and using my BH Cosmetic 101 brush to buff that in. This is my all-time favorite. This eyeshadow is not very noticeable. It's just like really something to give you like a clear base, kind of erases the concealer look and just gives you like a very neutral color. So light tone I can think is I'm trying to think. I'm literally winging this. I know I say this every video, but I'm winging this. Let's do this. Let's do this color from the Morphe 35. Not the Morphe 35. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's right next to this like pretty color. I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I'm trying to build it up because I know I'm gonna, you know how you see pictures of makeup pictures and theirs be like hella pigment, but you know how shadows really work on my skin tone. So I have to really build it up before I can just apply the pink for me. So try to build it up if you can, because if you apply an orange shadow, like a darker or a light tone orange shadow with and then apply it over pink, it's just gonna make it look more pink. See? Now using my never before used palette that I don't think I used this palette on my channel, but I think I'm going into the Burn Book palette from Storybooks Cosmetics. I'm going to take Wednesday, and that's going to be the pink color I'm going to use, and also the pink from the Morphe 35B, this one. So yeah. Okay, just so y'all know, I end up having to go with Wednesday, and she doesn't even go here, which is this like plum color, because Wednesday was like basically the same color as the Morphe pink in my bottom. So I'm gonna bring it into here, but I'm gonna carve it out, so it's no use right now. But yeah, I had to go in when she doesn't go over here and Wednesday and mix those together to get like a deeper color, because it was like the same color. So now I'm gonna carve out my crease just using a synthetic brush and my Tarte concealer, and I'm gonna carve it out. I'm gonna be using this white tone, like it's a shimmer color in the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one right here. And then in the middle, I'm going to use like a soft pink color. I'm going to use like a soft pink color. So I'm going to use this one at the end. It's the last color right here in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And then I'm going to take some glitter and we're going to go over it just to give it a little bit more to pop, 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 pop. eyeliner using my Maybelline Master eyeliner, and I'm not doing a full eyeliner. I'm just lining my eyes to prepare for my lashes, and then I'm gonna go in with my glitter. I'm gonna be mixing the Silver Sparkle and Arctic Frost. Arctic Frost is obviously white, and I'm gonna just mix it up because I never use Arctic Frost by itself. So, and I didn't say, and my lighting is going in and out because the sun is going up and down, but I didn't say my glitter glue, but I'm using e.l.f. primer glue, and this glitter glue is bomb. It doesn't make you crease. It's really self-applying, and it's only $1. It's hard to find in the stores though, but it's easy to find in like on Amazon. I got it from Amazon. Okay, so I applied my lashes, and I will put my lashes down below because they are two different styles, and they're stacked. So I just put them down below for you guys. They're from the beauty supply. Nothing special. Foundation, y'all know I'm gonna be going in with my Lancome. For Valentine's Day, you need something very, very, very full coverage. Well, not really, but me, I would need something very full coverage. And then for my concealer, I'm using also a full coverage concealer. What's kind of medium full coverage concealer in Tarte in Deep. This is a very good concealer. I recommend if you will be doing your own makeup and you want something that's like really good, like a good concealer, to go pick this one out. Okay, so for a powder, I'm gonna be mixing, I'm always mixing stuff. I'm gonna be mixing my Revolution. This is also featured in my drugstore makeup tutorials, so go check that out. And this is in terracotta. I never know if I'm saying that right. But then also my Clinique setting powder. Mix those together to set. Then for contour, I'll be using my Black Opal contour stick, and well, it's a foundation stick, but I use it to contour, and it's in Black Walnut. And I'll set that with my CoverGirl 420 medium. I think this is just the pressed powder, yeah. So so for my highlighter, it's time for highlighter. Yes, my favorite part. I felt that since this was like a very pinky look, it was only right to use La Peach for my highlighter. This is the Mac Daddy and Chekiana collab. So I think y'all can still purchase this. So if y'all can, y'all need to get this because this is the most perfect. Like, I recommend this. You asked me what highlighter should I wear for Valentine's Day, I'm gonna say this one because it has like a pretty like shimmer peach and pinkish tone. Like, it's perfect for pinks and stuff, so I would definitely recommend this. So definitely get this if you still have the chance. I don't know if it's still available, but get it while you can. So we'll be topping it off a little bit with this, and then for blue, using my DH Cosmetics Forever Nude palette, mixing this bronzer with this blush because I don't like my blush to be too pinky, especially because we got a lot of pink going on. And yeah. So now I'm just going to be lining my lips with my Wet n Wild liner then I'm going to go over it with Chi from ColourPop, and then I'm going to take my Pumpalicious lip gloss from Forever 21 because I just can't wear lipstick. I don't like lipstick. But if you can do lipstick, do whatever you want. It's up to you. But this is what I'm going to be using. Hey, you guys, so this is the finished look. Like I said, I just added some gloss. And my camera had died, by the way, if it looks like different, I don't know. And my computer died, so I can't even see myself right now, so hopefully I'm not looking crazy. This is the finished look. I just took my hair down. If you guys want information on my hair, I do have the video. It's my AliExpress video about this. It's a wig. So yeah, get you some affordable hair and slay your face for Valentine's Day. And I will also be doing a affordable Valentine's Day haul, because I do have some good palettes that are like very cheap that I can use to do like this look. But I did use like Morphe and stuff, if that's affordable. I don't know. But anyways, me and my boo will be together for Valentine's Day, like we always are, which is Netflix. You know me. Like, oh my god, me and Netflix, we bae. Like, I bought them a gift. You know what their gift is? My subscription I pay a month. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy. If y'all have any questions about this look or anything, or I would like if y'all make some suggestions down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.